Hello Leo, welcome back to my channel. This is a weekly reading for Sun, Moon and Rising in Leo for the week of April 13th to April 18th. So we are still in this new moon in Aries period, right? This was a very powerful new moon, and this week we are in a transition phase, okay? And you could be getting some kind of an information this week that could help you get off some situations or start something new, okay? But mostly this period is like a transition period, okay? You will be getting breakthroughs. If something you did not understand why such things happened, this week is the revelation week, okay? Sorry, Leos. This week you could get some information that will make you understand why such things happen in your life, or why you are attracting some things in your life right now, okay? I'm going to use the Lenormand for the overall energy, okay, for the week, and I'm going to pull 5 cards from the Gilded here, okay? The past, the current, the hopes and the fears, the obstacle here for you, and the outcome. And I'll be clarifying using the everyday tarot here, okay? So Leos, let's get into this week from April 13th to 18th. How this week is going to be. Wow, Queen of Wands. There you are, Leo. Okay, so 7 of Swords. And a 9, number 9, okay? The communication card here, okay? Letter, email, text messages, chat messages, okay? Some kind of legalities, okay? If you're going through a legal battle here, a contract, okay? Be aware of it, because with the 7 of Swords here and the Queen of Wands here with the Snake card, okay? I think you need to be careful of signing documents, okay? Be careful if there's some kind of new opportunity you're going to do this week, okay? Read the fine print, okay? Read the fine print, okay? So let's check out Leo's Sun, Moon and Rising for this week. Sun, Moon and Rising for Leos. That was not a good shuffle for you. Okay, one more shuffling. We have the Wheel as the overall energy for you, Leo. Ten of Pentacles and Reverse is the overall is the past energy for you. Overall energy is the Wheel, okay? The current is the Hermit. Wow. The hopes and fears is the 3 of Swords, okay? The obstacle is 10 of Cups. Outcome is the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, Leo. Go and check Aries reading, okay? Because Aries had this same cards here, okay? And they also got the Queen of Pentacles, okay? So this reading will resonate a lot with Leos with Earth in their chart, okay? Taurus, Virgo or a Capricorn, okay? So I think this is someone getting into or getting out of a family situation, okay? Could be splitting of assets. If there is someone that is trying to give you an asset here, okay? If someone is getting out of a relationship, you could be moving towards something stable here, Leo. Something that's little more stable, little more that's going to give you the happiness, okay? But I think the 10 of Cups is with 2 tens here, and the Wheel of Fortune. 10 of Cups is the obstacle, okay? I don't think this was your happily ever after, or if you thought that this was your happily ever after, it was not, okay? But you're moving towards it, okay? You're gonna, that is the quest for your happily ever after is what I'm getting. With the Hermit card here in your current energy, you are now going into a reflection mode where you're taking time out to understand what makes you truly happy. What is that is going to give you this happiness, okay? Because this is the obstacle for you. You think you're not getting it, okay? You think you're not happy with something here, okay? But with the Queen of Pentacles, I think you want, if you're trying to be a wife, if you're trying to get married, if you're trying to have a stable relationship in your life right now, I think your main focus will be that this week, Leo. That's your week, that's your energy. So let's clarify. The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse for Leos? Okay, the Fool in reversed and the Temperance upright. Okay, so maybe you thought that this was a foolish move, or you were hesitant to take a leap of faith in your life and you were sticking to a situation before. Okay, but now I think you're dropping this, you're coming out of this business or this will, because it was destined to happen. With the Temperance card, this could have been a long wait or a long battle too. That's what I'm getting with the legalities here. The Hermit. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. Okay. Let's find out the Three of Swords in reverse. Why is the hopes and fears? Why is the hopes and fears Three of Swords in reverse? Two of Swords in reverse. I think all the signs I had this Two of Swords somewhere, okay? Because I think everybody is taking their blindfold out. Nine of Cups in reverse and the Hanged Man in reverse. Wow, beautiful, Leos. Why is the Queen of Pentacles as the outcome here? The Seven of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords. I think this was Aries reading, I think. Aries or Taurus reading. I had this combination of 7 sevens here, okay? So, okay. I'm getting money deception, okay? Could have been someone committed to you in haste, or someone got married and because of money they wanted, maybe you were getting an investment, okay? Maybe you invested in a business together for the profits. This was a mutual understanding. That's what I'm getting. You started a business together with your spouse or with your partner, with someone, in a haste for the benefits or for the investments, and it turned out to be the wrong thing for you. Maybe you offered them money for the business and they cheated on you. This was definite betrayal here, definite cheating here. And this could also be greed. I'm thinking it was greed, okay? Someone was sticking to a partnership because of greed. They wanted this money. If you were in a business and you were earning 50,000 per month, someone wanted this relationship or wanted this marriage, wanted this business to continue because they wanted this money. Page of Pentacles is a money, is a student too, okay? And for me, this is a material. See this. So let's look at this person. How she's looking at the coin. Okay, so someone was more focused on the money or the benefits they got from this relationship. There was no cups here. Okay, because the Ten of Cups is the obstacle. Okay, so there was no love here. Okay, someone with the Nine of Cups in reverse. Someone was very, very egotistic. Okay, they wanted to be maintained. That's what I'm getting. Maybe Leos. You were not ready to compromise or get rid of this lifestyle, okay? You did not want this lifestyle to end. You wanted this partnership, you wanted this business, you wanted that attention. The Nine of Cups is reversed as someone who was upright, is someone who is greedy, who is all about the vanity here, okay? So someone wanted to be praised. With the Hanged Man in reverse, you are finally letting it go, okay? You're letting it go of this toxic situation or this materialistic situation because you want your Ten of Cups, because you know that this is not your happily ever after. There was no love in this situation. And the Seven of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords, with two sevens on the Queen of Pentacles, this would have been someone who was cheating for the money, or someone settled for money, someone settled or wanted or stole someone for and kept, because the Queen of Pentacles is Pentacles, right? This person could have gotten married for the money, and now it's ending. The situation is ending because you found out that this past investment was not the wise investments, okay? You got betrayed, you got cheated, okay? You know this was a greedy situation. See, this person already has Five of Swords here, okay? And this person was already bad person, okay, who hurt you, and they still have two of swords. Two of swords is indecision, okay. So this person was indecisive. This person was all about themselves. They hurt you, and yet, okay, this was someone who wanted more of it. They could have invested in two situations because they wanted profit, because 7 and 7 here could be a mirroring energy, okay. I'm getting only money deception here. The minute I pulled out the Page of Pentacles in reverse and the 10 of Pentacles reversed here with the 7 of Swords here, I think this was definitely someone did not know that the other person was stealing money from them, stashing money, or they thought they wanted you to pay for something to be in this relationship, or you invested, it does. See, someone gets married for green card, someone gets married for the apartment, or for the wealth here, for the status here. Someone did that, something like that. It's because of greed, absolute greed. They thought this investment could turn out into a beautiful thing, or they thought this greedy act will take them somewhere, but I don't think it's taking them anywhere here, okay, because this was not meant to be. The relationship or the situationship that happened because of the marriage had to go down, because there was something else here. The Temperance here, this could have been a lesson, because the Page of Pentacles also someone who had to learn, and with the Hermit here, you found out the truth, okay, Leos. And I think if there's some kind of a contract that ended or that's coming to an end, get out of it, okay. And this week you could be getting this information also, okay. If someone asks you to sign something out because they think that, I don't think it's happening, because with the Queen of Pentacles upright, this person is trying to be on their own right now. Maybe they have this stability on their own. Yeah, it could be you too, Leo, okay. You could be the stable person right now, and you are going to be wise with your investments in this week, okay. So be wise also, okay. The Wheel card has overall energy. It's going to be a destined thing that's happening in your life, okay. I hope this reading resonated with you, Leo. Thank you.